that the wind has blown the snow off so that there's practically no snow here. But where I was walking a few minutes ago, the snow was almost 2 feet deep, and I was sinking right down to the bottom. I saw some other people that were walked over the curb of the street onto this section, and it seemed to be okay for them, but they were a little bit lighter weight than I am, and they weren't sinking down to the bottom the way I did. Anyway, my goal is to get to this little sort of lookout that overlooks the Harlem Mere. Last time I took pictures of a blizzard, and it was still snowing, and I took some pictures from here. So I felt determined to do it again, and not realizing that it was going to be a little bit more difficult to get to this time than it was the last time. So I made it up to the lookout, the overlook, and the only problem is there's like a drift that's about 2 feet deep into the entrance that I'm going to have to walk through. And it looks like somebody did it a while ago. So as you're going to see, as I go through it, here's my feet. They're going to sink right. No, it's not. Oh, well, it's pretty bad. It's up above my knees. And oh, all right, made it. So here we are. Look out, the overlook, and it's pretty. And nobody's been here. As you can see, there's no footsteps. So I'm going to climb up on top of this rock. There we go. All right. And here's our view. The camera in the battery in my Nikon just died. And it died before, so I warmed it up in my hands and shook it, and I got about hours worth of photography out of it since then. So I did that this time, but this time it didn't work. So this time it's really dead. This tree, and there's mud, and all these little sparrows are flying down here to eat stuff in the mud, which I guess must be seeds or something. They're all flocking down here like crazy. Poor things. Wow. But they're going to fly back in a second as soon as the wind dies down.